Hey Defenders, welcome back. Today I'm excited to announce that we shipped brand new documentation for SOCFortress CoPilot. If you've been using CoPilot already or you're just getting started, this will hopefully make your life a lot easier because the docs are now organized the way you actually think and work, from getting data in, turning it into alerts, and operationalizing responses. So in this video, we're going to cover a few things. I'm going to show you what's new in this new documentation website, show you how the docs are organized so you can find what you need fast, and share a quick workflow for how to get the most out of them, whether you're an operator or a SOC engineer. So the biggest change in the we added an install section so you have a single source of truth for deployment and upgrades without the README drifting over time. We expanded the getting started experience so you can go from fresh install to alerts and cases actually working within an actual checklist that we put together for you guys. So if you take nothing else from this video, I highly would encourage you to go to the docs homepage and select Start Here. This page is designed to be the primary onboarding checklist. It walks you through the order of events that matter when it comes to our SIEM stack, from ingesting logs to visualizing those logs in dashboards to detecting with alerting to responding with cases and investigations, and also expanding into some of the power features. The order is important here because it prevents you from doing what a lot of people do, which is trying to troubleshoot dashboards or alerts before you even have the data flowing reliably in. Roles and some mental models for those of you guys who may be a little new to the components and how we put together the seam stack that we do, to start to conceptualize order of operations before Copilot can really be effective within your SIEM solution. So we've also broken the docs into a few main tabs, and here's how to think about them. So the operator tab is built for your day-to-day analyst workflow. So this is your SOC team analysts that are triaging, investigating, and responding to alerts. So within here, you're going to see some sections that detail reviewing alerts, how to turn alerts into cases, collecting artifacts, references to our SOCFortress capsules, which are operator playbooks that walk you through from alert and investigation. And this is where you will spend majority of your time if you are a SOC operator. We also have a video section detailed here below where, depending on what your role is, you can find the appropriate videos that apply to you. The admin/platform tab is designed for those who are maintaining the SIEM solution. So this is everything from customer provisioning and onboarding to configuring integrations to configuring new incident alert sources, index management, health checks. This will be your targeted area for those of you who are more from a admin/engineer role. We also have another tab for our customers portal, which this covers what the customer portal is, how it runs, how you can enable it, and we'll continue to build this out as we add new features to the customer portal. Next, we have our integrations and our power features. So integrations are the catalog of what connects to Copilot. So what data sources can be brought in and how. For example, from our Wazoo endpoints to our Office 365 integrations to Mimecast. And this will also serve as your catalog for what is fully automated and built into Copilot. Please do keep in mind that if you're a client of SOCFortress or if you are exploring our professional services, just because an integration doesn't exist here doesn't mean it can't be ingested and brought into the SIEM stack. These are just the ones that we have fully automated within the Copilot platform. And power features are the add-ons that you take beyond basic SOC operations. So things like Patch Tuesday, MITRE attack mapping, cloud security assessments, GitHub auditing, how to leverage the AI analyst and AI assistant built into Copilot. These are other modules that you can layer on once the core loop is working. So, how to get the most out of the docs? I would recommend asking yourself, am I acting as a SOC operator or am I acting as a engineer/admin right now? 'Cause if you're chasing alerts and cases, then you're likely going to be wearing the SOC operator hat, where if you're wiring up new data sources, onboarding new customers and ensuring data flow, then that sounds like your main focus would be within the admin/platform section. With the idea being here to save you guys time so you're not bouncing around the docs randomly. You can also search directly from within the docs as well with via providing keywords. The search bar will allow you to quickly pinpoint any topics that you're interested in. So that's going to wrap it up for today. The goal of these docs is to spend less time digging for answers and more time operating, getting data in, producing real alerts, responding cleanly, and scaling the platform in a way that makes sense. I hope these docs are helpful for you guys. And going forward, we will make sure that these docs stay updated as we add new power features or integrations or capabilities into Copilot. So I would encourage you guys here to frequently check back to see what new has been added to the Copilot platform. And I appreciate your time, and I will see you in the next one.